3 days ago I went to Tim Hortons somewhere in Squamish, and I ordered 2 burgers and a poutine, and I expected a bigger bag, so they gave me this type of size bag. I looked inside and I checked the hamburgers and they dropped the weight, they dropped the size, I don't know if they increased the price, but it was a tiny thing like that. So now I'm unboxing, you know, the unboxing videos on the internet. When you get a new stuff and you unbox it, so you want to show the world, you know, what's inside and how it works. And so now I'm unboxing this thing, which I got it from McDonald's in Hope, British Columbia. And what it says here, you could win car strips or cash. Who cares? So I'm unboxing the fish burger. I unboxed it before, like most people on the internet, they unbox the items prior to recording the video, but you know, in order to brag, they pretend they unbox it again. So I'm unboxing this thing to show you what's in the fish burger. Okay, so I unboxed it before, so that's my unboxing, first bite after first unboxing. But you see, this thing is more than $5. So $5, how long it takes you to make the $5? So it's maybe 50 grams and 4 bites and it's gone. And so let's say if you are the McDonald's type of person, I'm not, but if you are one of those, a fast food type of person, and probably you make $20-25 an hour. If you make more than that, probably you would not buy a McDonald's, right? You would go for something higher quality. Or Tim Hortons, again, it's a low quality stuff. People go because of the trend or because of they are zombies or something. I can't say why people buy fast food. But anyway, so you make $20 an hour, $5 is this thing. That means 15 minutes you work to make this thing. Is it worth it? Maybe. Yeah. So if you work 15 minutes to get something that lasts you an hour, I would say an hour, well, probably it's a good deal. Okay, but in the past they were much bigger, so let you know.